Nandito na kami sa water garden sa loob ng 16 years. Ngayon pa lang makakapunta rito. Ito pala yung water garden.
Pagpasok naman na sila.
Asan kaya? Asan ba yun? Dito pala yun. Natid lang kami. Ito pala yun. Ito pala yung nakikita ko sa video na bubuka-buka yung bulaklak. Ito yun eh. Ito yung nakikita ko eh. Oh, dito lang tayo sa water garden na tinatawag nila. Saan sila? Oh. Yan. Ito na. Saan sila? Liwanag ko na saan sila. Dito na. Dito kami sa ano, water garden yun oh. Dito maganda dito oh. Ayan. May bit-bit pa naman ako. Picture lang ko daw siya. Ito yung water garden na tinatawag. Mga kasama namin nawawala. Dalawa lang kami nandito.
Iwan mo muna natin dito. Iwan mo muna dito.
Dito sila. Sasakay doon ng bus. May bus dito eh. PBB. Pasamahan dito. Sakay ng bus. Oh, share mo na. Ihitin ako. CR. Tanong kayo. Ala. Saan pupunta yan? Wala pa naman eh. Hintay-hintayin yan. Saan sila? Ay, doon para po. Naghahanap ng CR. Ang ganda rito mamasyal sa water garden oh. Mahangin dito. Grabe, 16 years bago.
Tsaka Kuya Jerry sa kuno.
Napakahangin dito. Sinday. Inday Garotay. Inday Garotay. Tapos nang hangin dito. Di pa rin naman ako.
Kasi nung kagabi
May sombrero.
dito sa baba.
Sakay na kami. Sakay na kami sa bus. 1 BD per head. 1 BD. Cash. Yan na. Sakay tayo. May 1 BD ah. Yeah, 1 BD niya.
Wait.
Ay, wait lang kami bababawal.
Excuse me.
Oh. Which one is one?
On who?
Yeah.
Number.
Baby.
Number. Wag na number. Wala akong benefit. Wala akong benefit.
This car lady, how much left?
Thank you.
Wala akong benefit. Sakay na kami. Ang dami namin. Isa, dalawa, 10. Sabi isa. Oh, parang very cool. Sigawan ng mga sleeping member. Pati ako nakasakay ako. Wala. Ano na? Ang kulo. Oh, wala ako ah.
Oh, dito ka.
Ay! Ayo, sombrero.
Me and Baba's friend.
Sikip talaga, no? Grabe.
Ito magagano na lang imagine.
Wait, I will send Baba in the front so you cannot see anything.
Ito pala.
Slowly.
Makailipad ng sombrero ko.
Excuse me, don't too much.
Yawa ka.
Maybe
Baka maano ka dito.
wait. Now, how much?
Nakasakay din sa bus. Top down.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun?
Malapit naman kami sa Sitra. Pauwi na ako.